In this lesson, we're going to draw a takeout box. I hope you're excited and you're going to follow along with me. You've got a marker and some paper. Let's first start by drawing a line straight down the middle of our paper. This is for the first edge of our box. Then we're going to draw a line that comes out to the side and it goes up. It's a diagonal line that goes up. And we're going to draw a diagonal line on the other side that matches but goes the other direction. Kind of looks like an arrow pointing down. Then we're going to draw the outside edges of our box. We're going to draw another line that comes down and connects to that outside corner. And we'll draw another line that comes down and connects to this outside corner. Now we've got 3 lines. We want to make sure that the 2 outside lines are longer than this middle line. Then we're going to connect the 2 lines at the top on the right side and also on the left. We got the general shape of our box. We need to draw the lid open so we can see the noodles inside. So we're going to draw another V right here in the middle of our box. Now we can draw another diagonal line over here on the outside and also on the left side. And I tried to match the same angle of these center lines. Now we can connect the top of those 2 lines. This is for the lid. It's unfolded so we can see the food inside. On the side of the box, let's draw another V. It's going to come down and back up, and we're touching these 2 corners on the left side, and we want to make sure that the center of the V doesn't go too far past the middle of this side panel. Let's draw another V down here at the bottom. An upside down V goes up and then back down. And we want to make sure that this point is right in line with the top because we're going to connect the 2 with a straight line. Up here on this top V, we're going to draw an oval. Now this is where the metal handle connects to the box. Then we're going to draw a line that comes out of that. A diagonal line comes down, and then it's going to wrap around the back and then connect to the side of the box. Doesn't that look cool? It looks 3D. It looks like the handle's going behind the box. Now we're ready to draw the noodles inside of our box. We're going to draw a rainbow line. We're going to draw a lot of noodles. A rainbow line that goes up and then back down. Now let's draw all of the noodles inside, and we can do that really easily just by drawing curved lines. I'm going to curve them this way first. I'm drawing a bunch of them, and if I ever go too fast, you can pause the video and take extra time to complete any of the steps. Now I'm going to draw curved lines going up. Now we're going to draw curved lines going up and kind of to the side, a diagonal. They're coming out of the corner of these 2. And then I'm going to draw curved lines and noodles going down. Now these are going to go behind the lid so I can imagine them going behind the lid but keep curving and going down further. There we go. We filled in that shape and now it looks like it's full of noodles. Now I'm going to draw chopsticks coming out of the top. I'm going to draw 2 lines right next to each other. And then we can connect the top. Then I'm going to draw 2 more lines angled a little more to the left and then connect the top also. That's a simple way to draw 2 chopsticks stuck into our noodles. Now to make it look more 3D, we can draw 2 more of these panels but behind the noodles. So we're going to draw 2 more lines, and they're really small. They're a lot smaller, angled out right in the center. And then I'm going to draw another diagonal line, a small one, right here. And then we can connect those 2 lines. And then I'm going to draw another diagonal line over here. And we can connect these 2 lines also. But we need to go behind the chopsticks. So I'm going to draw a line. It's aimed towards this other line over here. We'll imagine it going behind the first chopstick, in between, and then out the other side. Now with those 2 extra panels, it looks more 3D. All right, we did it. We finished drawing our takeout box. It looks really cool, except we need to draw a funny face. Now you can leave this off if you want, Or you can even draw a different funny face than the one I'm going to draw. So I'm going to add one eye over here on this right panel. Then I'm going to draw a smaller circle inside and then color in the big circle, but leave that little one white. On my funny face, I'm going to draw him winking. So I'm going to draw a sideways V, but I'm going to draw it curved. So I'm going to draw a curved line down and then back out. Looks like a curved V. Then I'm going to draw two lines over here above his eye, and then maybe an extra one on top of the winking eye. Now we need to draw his mouth. We're going to draw a smile, draw curving up, and then I'm going to draw another one curving back down. It's a lot like the winky eye, but bigger and going the other direction. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes back up so his mouth looks open, and then we can color in that shape. Now our takeout box is complete with a funny face, except we still need to color the whole drawing in so it looks even better. Now this part I'm going to fast forward, but at the end you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. It looks so much better colored in. I hope you're going to take the time to color your drawings too. I used tan to color the noodles, but I also used brown to add some shadows. I also added shadows to the box with gray and even colored the chopsticks red. I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me and drawing your own takeout box, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye! If you had fun following along in this lesson, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the circle. Then you can click the bell to get notified every time we upload new videos. I've also picked out these 2 other lessons I thought you'd really enjoy. Don't forget to take a photo of your child's finished artwork and share it on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter because we want to see how awesome it turned out.